So guys, for the first method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works. For the second method, you want to change the letter of the drive that you're having a problem with. So you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find the drive you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on change drive letter and paths. Now you want to select the drive and then click on change. Just change the drive letter and then click on OK. Some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? If you do want to continue, then click on yes. For the last method, you want to format the drive that's giving you a problem. Just so you know, this will remove all data on that drive, so you want to back up any data that you may have on that drive. Now to format it, you want to right click on it and then click on format. Choose your file system. I'm going to go with NTFS and then click on OK. Warning, this will erase all the data on the drive, so make sure that you have it backed up if you need to keep any of it, and then click on OK. It's then going to format the drive, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.